So first you need to have the food trays. So a picture of your child's food. I draw something like that, let's say, and you need to measure two measurements. First is I call it front instep. It's the widest part of the foot, and you measure this. So you start on paper, go above the instep or above the foot, and finish here. So it's not a circle; it's a half circle, and you measure, for example, 10 centimeters, let's say. Then you need to measure the second instep. I call this back instep, and it's the place when the instep is the highest. So now you measure the same way, and you measure, for example, 12. So this is what you need as a first point. Then you need to add some place in front of the foot, in front of toes. So here you add, for example, 1 or 2 centimeters, maybe 1.5. It's up to you. And you put the place only in the front. Then you may put 2 millimeters here and here, and 1 millimeter, for example, here and here, and here nothing. So no addition. 1 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters, for example, 2, and here 15, 10, 15, 20 millimeters. It's up to you. Then you mark the center of the heel and the center of the front part. I do it by eye, or how it's called. I just see it. It's nothing special. Just make the center and then connect these 2 points and make the center line. So you have the center line. Then you connect these points, these 2 points, and mark a point here on the middle line. Again the same here, you just mark the point and make the, I don't know how it's called, perpendicular line. It's 90 degrees from this, and you make the same here. So you need this kind of ruler. So I use this point, I don't connect this one now. I use this point, the middle point, and make the perpendicular line again. I mean 90 degrees here. Now here you have 10 centimeters. So I divide it by 2, and it's 5 and 5. So together it's 10. Here I have 12, so 6 and 6, together 12. And now you need to add 1 centimeter here on the front line, 1 centimeter here on both sides, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and here you need, on the inner side, I add 12 to 15 millimeters. It's up to you. Maybe 15 is better. You have more space. And here I add 20 millimeters, so 2 centimeters. So just add what I need to add, 10 and 15, and you just connect these 2 and 2 points, and then you make a curved line and you touch the toe and go down. This is how it should look like. This is not correct, and this is not correct as well, so it's like something in the middle. Now I just hope it's visible. I can mark it more, draw it better so you can see it. And now you can just finish like this, or you can make, if it is summer shoes, for example, you can make this, or you can draw a little tongue here, so it's like you draw the line like this. So it's up to you what you decide. You can play with this. So I like this one. It looks like the special kind of fish with the tongue, the long tail. So this is the basic pattern for the front part. Then you need the back part, and the back part is a separate part, and I calculate or measure 2 or 3 centimeters from this point. It's 2 or 3 centimeters here, and the same here. I count 3, and you measure this part from this point to this point. It's 18, and you have to draw the heel part. So you draw a line which is 18 centimeters long. This is the measure of 18 centimeters. So 18, it's not really 18, but I don't I don't have time to make it better. So you make the center line, and again the perpendicular line, and here you measure how high the heel should be. So for example, it's according to the length of the shoe, but I can send you a table, but you can decide and it's up to you. Let's say if it is a small child, you can put, for example, 5 centimeters here. So I measure 5 centimeters, let's say it's 5 centimeters, and this is a side part which is a little lower. So for example, 4 centimeters. Okay, 4 centimeters. And now you make the line like this. This is higher, this is lower. It also can be the same height. It's up to you. You can also make the shape of holes for laces like this. You can make it lower if it is summer shoe, higher if it is winter shoe. You can also make it really high. It's up to you. You just need to try it and to decide what is better for you. And you have to if you use leather, it is always better to finish the leather here somehow. I mean the edge of the leather, because otherwise it will not fit good or well. So you need to put, for example, elastic around this edge. Or what I sometimes do is that when I have the simple rectangle, let's say, I put 2 or 3 centimeters extra here, and I bend it. So it and sew it. So it creates something like a tunnel, and then you can put elastic through the tunnel here. And when you sew it together, you can you can make a knot on a knot on the elastic. So you have three parts. One part is the main front part, second part is the back part, and then you have the insole. And here there is an extra thing. You need to add the sewing allowance. So I put 5 millimeters sewing allowance around the hole insole. Then you put the sewing allowance here around this part. This is without any allowance, and again you need to finish this edge with elastic, for example. It's better, but it's not necessary here. And then you put also the sewing allowance here or here, and you have to finish the raw edge of the leather here with elastic. And this is the basic pattern for small child's shoes.